Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Norwegian cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Norwegian Sun. This particular category is an inside stateroom. I'm going to take you through in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you do it right on HarTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value. Now we've started right here in the bedroom. You can see the beds are separated into twin configuration. It can go together in a large bed configuration if that's your preference. In that case, the nightstands would move to the outside. Now either way, you've got these great USB chargers on the lights behind the nightstand, and then you're also going to have plenty of storage underneath the beds. You have a couch bed in the corner here, so this actually is a sofa that can convert out into a bed for you if you want to utilize it for that. And then directly across, you're going to find your flat panel TV. Fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. Now you've got a vanity that doubles as a writing desk here. There's a little stool you can sit on, a US plug and a European plug for charging. Now I always bring extra European adapters and converters to take advantage of all the plugs in the space. You can use the mirror to get ready, and you've got storage up above, quite a bit of storage down below with the drawers, and then you'll find your mini fridge under here, and tucked just behind there, you're gonna find your safe. Perfect size for a passport or a wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop. Now you're going to find your primary storage here right by the entryway. You've got hanging storage all the way across. These will pull down for more hanging storage, storage up above, and then you're going to have baskets and shelves for storage as well. Now as we head into the bathroom, you'll find your temperature control here, and you'll see the bathroom is a decent sized space. It's not a large bathroom by any means. You've got storage up and down here. You're gonna have a little bit of storage on the vanity there, toilet tucked just behind, and you'll find your hair dryer on the wall. Now it is a tiny shower. I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". I can fit okay in here. I usually leave the shower curtains open. I would prefer it to be a shower door, but you've got an adjustable shower wand there. You're gonna have a clothesline up above, and then down below you'll find your amenities. Now when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you reach out to HarTravel and do that right on HarTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way.